Everybody, what is going on? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center, and hey, today I wanted to talk about, and actually a couple weeks ago, shortly after the Fed announcement, in fact like minutes after the Fed announcement, I came on, and what was happening at the time, the Fed dropped the Fed funds rate by 50 basis points or 0.5%. And on that particular day, mortgage rates actually went up a hair. And interestingly, and because of a bunch of different things going on, we've kind of seen actually upward pressure a bit on mortgages for arguably the last couple of weeks. And it's not some huge move, but it's just upward pressure. And it just brings me to a thought that that is there all the time, right? And all the experts that I'm listening to and stuff, and have been for years, are all kind of saying the same thing. It's like, hey, we are likely to see rates continuing to drop over whatever period of time, right? But for the foreseeable future, do I think 6 to 12 months from now, we're likely to be in a position where we could see rates lower than we are right now? Yes, and more importantly, so do a lot of the experts that I listen to. But here's what's important. It's not going to be a straight line down, right? It's going to have bumps in the road, kind of like we're seeing right now. And this again gets to the question of, okay, when do I think about jumping into the market and buying, and when do I think about refinancing, right? And the real answer is the time for both of those is take the bird in the hand, right? If you're thinking about buying and the timing it works for you, right? And you've got the down payment, you're pre-approved, you're ready to go. You can't time this market, right? So it's just get in, and I've said that a million times, all right? But then the other one is if you're thinking about refinancing, are you gonna wait for rates to come down to some magic number, whatever number that might be? Sounds great, right? Wouldn't it be nice if we could just say, okay, I'm gonna wait till 4.5, or whatever the number is, but you're just wasting money in the interim by not refinancing, right? Now, does that mean that you should just get going and hurry up and lock in a rate and all that stuff? No, there's probably no need to do that, but look, let's get this thing going for you and take advantage of it, right? So I guess that, it's just, there's absolutely no guarantee that rates are going to continue to drop or drop any further from where we are. And, it's like you gotta just run with the bird in the hand in a lot of these things, whether they're thinking of buying or refinancing, right? Because you are not going to be able to time the market. If you do, it was luck. Just always remember that. So, and that luck, of course, cuts both ways. So I just wanted to come on and talk about this. Some of this stuff's really obvious, but I've just been hearing so much indecision on when should I do this, when should I buy or refinance. The answer is always, look, when you're ready. And if everything's in place for your purchase, do it now. If the numbers work out and make sense for a refinance, just do it. Just get it out of the way, right? If rates continue to drop, you can do it again if you have to, right? But there's just no guarantees. So that's all I have this week. I'm Bill. I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see y'all next week.